Welcome back. It's week 10 of Kitchen Goals, and Stefan Frei, he's from Switzerland. He knows all about Bavarian food, but this week he's tailgating with something a bit different.
Hey everybody, Stefan Frei, and today on Kitchen Goals we'll be making a spinach and goat cheese frittata. I loved quiches. My mom, growing up, she made quiches all the time, so this is pretty much its healthier sibling, if you will. So let's jump right in. So while the skillet is heating up over here, we're going to go and crack our eggs. We're going to start whisking these. Then we're going to add some salt and pepper. Then we're going to add our milk as well. Now we're going to go ahead and put in a little bit of butter into our preheated skillet. Perfect. We're going to saute our spinach, give it a little bit of time. So go ahead and keep it in the pan for about 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure everything is cooked evenly. And then we're going to add our egg mixture. All right, it's starting to look pretty good now, so we're going to add the goat cheese. All right, and from here on out, it's straight into the oven. All right, let's check on our frittata. Perfect. All right, that's it. This is how you make a spinach and goat cheese frittata. If you're interested in a recipe like this or others, you can go to kairos7.com/sports.
All righty. Thank you, Chef Steph. That actually works because it's a 6:30 game. It looks like breakfast. Lots of festivities surrounding this game, including those involving former Seahawks Marshawn